Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining us in today's demo. My name is Hector, and I'm part of the product management team here at Gathr. In this demonstration, we'll show you how Gathr's unified no-code platform can enable you in creating applications that take you from data to outcomes up to 50 times faster. The use case we're going to share with you came to us from the marketing team from one of our customers. And even though this is a marketing use case, you will see that the challenges they faced, the solution that they built with Gathr, and the benefits they got out of this are common across many different domains. Let's jump right into it. The main goal of the campaign was to promote a new product within their existing customer base. The first challenge was to correlate data from multiple sources to predict which customers are most likely to convert. Then how to monitor the results in real time to optimize the plan as needed, and then make this affordable by automating the process as much as possible, remove the dependencies on multiple teams with different skill sets, and making sure the solution can be reused for other requirements with minimum effort. Let's see this in action. Here you have Gathr's Web Studio. As you can see, everything is unified into a single platform, so no jumping from one tool to another. You can see the data integration section, machine learning and advanced analytics, visualizations with some prepackaged domain apps, as well as process automation. So what we're going to do is to provide some context of this use case, is to show you the end result first, to see the outcomes and actions, and then we'll go back and focus on the data journey and show you what's happening behind the scenes. So we have here a dashboard for the call center team. Then they can use this to execute their campaigns, to monitor the results, and be able to provide those adjustments as needed. And at the bottom of this dashboard, you're going to see the list of existing customers with the results of the machine learning process that shows the confidence level that we have that this existing customer can also acquire this new product that we're positioning within this campaign. Not only can they see the data that they need to make decisions, but they can also take actions directly without having to jump into another tool. These actions can be taken manually, or if they want to, they can also be automated or triggered by specific conditions. So for example, here they can make calls to existing customers. They can update the status after the interaction with the customers, and they can even see a script for the call they're going to make, which has been generated by AI and has been tailored for the specific customers that they're going to contact. For example, if I click on the script button here, I'm able to see the script that was created by GenAI within our platform, along with the result of my machine learning process, which is the conversion confidence percentage, and the name of a customer right here. So I'm giving my call center team all the tools that they need in order to succeed in this specific campaign. Now, as we go back to our main page, keep in mind that this entire dashboard and even the actions that can be taken were created and put together without the need of any coding. To show you an example, if I go to an editable version of this dashboard and I want to change any of the graph, I can just select that graph and just open my panel to see the different options that I have available. And I can easily just select different options and configurations to customize this experience as needed. With that in mind, let's go and take a look at what's happening on the data management side. In here, we can see the data pipeline that was created, starting with multiple sources of information that are processed and then joined and prepared according to our specific needs. We have more than 300 connectors available to connect to multiple sources, from big data to databases to enterprise tools and many others. Now, one of the challenges that the marketing team had was the dependencies on those other teams in order to put together something like this. So what you see on the screen is, again, a no-code process where they can just drag and drop specific elements into the screen and then easily configure them to bring any sources, apply any business rules until they have the results that they need. For example, we can click on any of the nodes. In this case, I clicked on this join. You can see how easy it is to configure each of these steps. We're just linking the common fields between these two datasets, and just like that, my join is configured. If I want to edit this pipeline, I can open my panel and drag and drop elements to the screen as needed. Or I can also select the element where I want to perform specific changes, and I can use my Gathr IQ assistant to help me in performing that action in an even easier way. As an example, I can add a prompt here. In this case, I'm asking to filter customers and keep only those that are older than 30 years old. And the Gathr IQ assistant is adding or suggesting a step that I can easily apply. And just like that, an additional node will be added to my pipeline that I can just take and configure as needed. Now I can just select the original connection and just delete it. Just like that, my pipeline is updated. At the bottom of the screen, you can see the results of each of the steps along the way. Not only that, but you can click on any elements and you can easily see the correlation between those elements as well. And you can keep expanding your use case using an extensive library of processors when applying actions like masking, creating additional columns, and many other options. Like, for example, towards the end of the pipeline, you can also see a machine learning model. In this case, we're using a random forest binary classifier, but it could be any other algorithm as well. You can also see an OpenAI node that allows you to interact with the data and bring additional features like entity extraction, recommendations, or in this case, generating the script for the call center team. And even these advanced features can be implemented without any coding. For the machine learning model, you can request the model to be regenerated every few hours, every few days, or maybe automatically based on your specific needs. At the end of the process, you can choose if you want to send this information to a specific destination and or be able to visualize it on the dashboard depending on your needs. One important thing to highlight here is that this entire pipeline can be templatized and can be reused as needed. So if you want to do another prediction, for example, customer churn or any other use case, you can easily take this as a base and adjust it with just a few clicks. Last but not least, if we go to the next section, we also include the statistics that can help you in evaluating the accuracy of your model. What kind of features went into building that model, as well as any configuration steps that you can also maintain. You can manage multiple versions of your model. You can templatize your model. You can do hyperparameter tuning and do all the pre-processing steps that you need right here in the UI. After making any adjustments, the users on the other side can keep track of the success of the campaign. They can evaluate KPIs, performance results, and apply any filters that will help them in evaluation of this data. So now you have seen how Gathr can solve multiple use cases, as you can imagine, using the same base without any coding, with the help of our AI assistant, enabling machine learning and a unified user experience. This same process can be applied to a wide variety of problems in many different domains. Users can choose from a wide range of features, from data management, whether it's streaming or batch processing, to applying and managing those machine learning models, bringing and embedding GenAI features into your use case, and adding those visualizations that allow you to make decisions and take actions that can be user-driven or even automatically managed by the platform. The applications created go across multiple domains, and we even offer out-of-the-box solutions designed to help you get up and running faster. As you probably already saw, this is an industry agnostic approach that can be tailored to the needs of each organization. And in terms of what's next, we'll invite you to actually request a one-on-one demo on our website, where one of our experts can actually show you or walk you through the entire capability of a platform and answer any questions that you may have about your specific use cases. And the other option is that you can subscribe for our 14-day free trial. And in that case, you will have a complimentary workshop where our team will work with you on building an actual pipeline or an actual use case for you based on your specific requirements. So that way you can experience firsthand the power of a platform with one of your use cases. So again, we hope it was helpful for you, and we look forward to collaborate with you soon. Thank you.